Hello and thank you so much for purchasing my profit calculator. The following is how to use my calculator. So first of all, you have the item price. So say that you are selling the item for $50. The next part is how much you're actually charging the client. So say you charge $10 or $15 shipping. The next is how much shipping actually costs you. So you would put in how much you spent on shipping. The next is item cost, how much it costs you to buy the item. So say you bought it for $5. Two additional spaces for any additional costs that you might have. Labor costs, say that it costs you $5 for someone to help you. And then packaging costs, any labels, envelopes, that sort of thing, say that costs $1. Your estimated tax rate, so say that's 7%, you can change that anytime. And then discount if you offered any discounts on your product. So on the right, it's going to start calculating everything. So your item price plus the amount that you're charging for shipping minus your discount, and that is your total revenue. The next you have the item costs plus the any additional costs, and that is your total cost. The next part you would be adding up your advertising fees and your taxes, and that would be the total fees and taxes. The total cost, this is going to be the cost, which is the item cost, the additional cost. So it'll be your total cost plus your total fees and taxes, and those two are equal to the absolute total cost. Now your net profit will be calculated, and this is the total revenue minus the total cost, and that will be your net profit, and then this was your profit margin. Okay, so next we're going to go to the next page, and this is multiple items. So say you wanted to figure out all of the items in your shop. We have multiple different rows you can go on. So say this is a skirt. Say you're going to charge $30 for the item. You're going to charge $5 to ship it. You're giving a $5 discount, so we'll do -5. And then your total revenue is 30. Next, these are the other product costs. So you're adding the advertising. So $2 for advertising. It cost you $5 to get it. Shipping cost was $8.50. Other costs here and here. Labor costs for $5. Packaging costs, and then this is the total cost. Next, you've got your tax rate. So your tax rate would be multiplied times your revenue, and that will be your taxes. And then your revenue minus your total cost minus your taxes will be your profit. And then this will be your profit margin. So that's how to use the calculator. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.